Hey guys, wanna know how to add background in Filmora? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to add background in Filmora. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your Filmora application, and once you've done that, you can just simply directly go to stock media, that is right under media, that is located right here. Now once you've clicked on it, there, you simply click on library. And here you have it. Under trending, you can see viewers images. So you can go for black, white, background media, which are of different colors, and so much more. You can just search, scroll around, and find the right way. And once you found it, you can just simply click on this small download button and just drag and drop it just like this in your timeline. And there you have it. As you can see, my white background has been imported to the timeline easily. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.